about to leave the house. Just cleaned out my truck. It's cold. Hey guys, so I just came home from a store called At Home. I can't remember where we were. So we're here the day before Jen starts. We are here at the Alzheimer's Walk. Welcome back to my channel. Today is week 4 on my Weight Watchers journey. I had a stomach ache the last couple days and I don't know what it's from. Happy Saturday. A nurse's work is never done. Good morning, you guys. It is weigh-in day and I'm excited to report I had a great week. What is up, you guys? I apologize if you hear my washing machine going, but I have laundry going. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the results of my egg fast.